So there are 6 crucial steps in disease process which can help us understand how diseases spread and how we can take preventive measures to protect ourselves and our community. So the first step, moving anti-clockwise, is the infectious agent. So the disease begins with the infectious agent. It could be a virus, bacteria, fungus, parasite, or rickettsia. These agents have the potential to cause illness in susceptible individuals. They exist in our environment and can be transmitted from one person to another or from animals to humans in the case of zoonotic diseases. The step number 2 is susceptible host. We're saying that a susceptible host is the one that will be infected by a disease. So not everyone who encounters the infectious agent becomes ill. Susceptibility can be influenced by various factors. It could be age, like we have the very young and the very old are more affected than the rest of the population. Immune status, those with the weak immunity or those with underlying conditions and genetics that are susceptible to other diseases. So individuals with weakened immune systems, the elderly, the young children, are often more vulnerable to the infection. The third step is route of entry. To cause a disease, the infectious agent needs to find a way into the susceptible host's body. So the route of entry refers to the path through which the pathogen gains access. It can be through inhalation, okay, or for example the TB spores, or ingestion in the cholera case, or direct contacts, yeah, like the contact disease like scabies, okay, so that with the skin or through mucous membranes in the eyes, nose, and mouth. The fourth step is mode of transmission. Once the infectious agent gains entry, it needs a mode of transmission to move from one host to another. Common modes of transmission include direct entry with an infected person, airborne droplets from coughing or sneezing in the case of TB, contaminated food and water like typhoid, and the vector-borne transmissions like malaria case through which these mosquitoes or tick transmit. The fifth one is route of exit, and during the disease process, the infectious agent may need to exit the host body to spread further. The route of exit is the pathway through which the pathogen leaves the host. This can be through respiratory droplets, bodily fluids, or excretion. A last step in the transmission of communicable diseases is the reservoir. So reservoirs can be human carriers, animals, insects, or environmental elements where the pathogen can thrive and persist. Identifying and controlling reservoir can be crucial in preventing disease outbreaks. In conclusion, guys, understanding the 6 disease process steps empowers us to take appropriate measures to break the chain of infection. So by practicing hand hygiene, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, getting vaccinated, and staying informed about disease outbreaks, we can protect ourselves and others from the infectious agent.